Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that we had started Unit 3 Science and Technology and we have done few pages from Unit 3. Today we are going to do page number 62, that is Water for Life. Now, from where do we get water and why water is important? See, for this I'll just read out few lines which is given in your book, and then we are going to carry on with our question that from where do we get water and why water is so necessary for everyone. Now, the water on earth is constantly recycled. It falls on the land as rain and snow. Now, this is the answer of my first question, that from where do we get water. So we get water from rain and snow, from clouds only. Then it is carried by river or groundwater to the oceans. From there it rises as water vapor and falls back on earth again. Now this process is called water cycle. So before I'll come to water cycle, first of all, what are the different uses of water? Now there are different uses of water. We need water for our daily life activity. We need water to drink. We need water to had a bath. We need water to wash our clothes. Different uses were there. So what will happen if we do not have water? Can we perform all these activities? No, it's not possible. In fact, if I say that after 10-15 years, if anything which is very precious, that will be water only. So it will not be false. So now what will be there? That water is such an important and precious thing which we are getting from our nature, Mother Nature only, and then it is recycled by our Mother Nature only. The only thing which we have to keep in our mind, that we will not disturb this circle at all. For example, we will not increase pollution, because if the pollution will be increased, we will not get that plenty of rainfall. If we will not get plenty of rainfall, that water level will be getting down. Now what I read it down right now, see here about water cycle. Now let's see, here is some clouds and clouds are raining. Rain is coming from clouds. Fine. And on hilly area, now rain is coming here. Now in hilly area, fine, now in hilly area, this rain is coming in the form of snow also. Fine, in hilly area it is coming in the form of snow also. And when the snow will melt, this water is coming in river. This water is coming in different river, smaller, bigger, the different kind of a river we have. Different kind of river we have. Now what? From river, due to heat of sun. Due to heat of sun. Fine? Due to heat of sun, when we have a sunny day, then this water evaporate and goes into environment in the form of water vapor. Go into environment in the form of water vapor, and again that water vapor then combines and form cloud, and again they will come on the earth in the form of rain. Come in the form of rain. So what we have seen in this picture, this is a combined picture of water cycle. Now how water is recycled. Just now I have told you that water is a precious thing and that is recycled by our environment itself. Fine. Nobody else is doing it. This water is recycled by our mother nature only, by our mother earth only. So what is there? See, when clouds are raining, this water is coming in the form of rain, or in the hilly area it is coming in the form of snow. Here in the hilly area it is coming in the form of snow, and in the plain area it is coming in the form of rain. Fine. And they are coming on the earth, and then when this snow will melt, this is going into rivers. This water is going into river, and from the river, due to heat of sun, this water evaporates and goes into atmosphere in the form of water vapor. Now here this water vapor is important. Fine. If you will keep the water, one glass of water on the gas stove, fine, in any utensil, after some time you will see that water started boiling, and after boiling then that water will changes into water vapor, and sooner you will find it out that water is getting less itself. So what is that? These water evaporation will be there, and that is called water vapor. The air which is coming out from that water is changing into air form, that is called water vapor. So what we have seen in this, now due to heat of sun, this water will change into water vapor, and then it will goes into atmosphere again. Now this water vapor, as the height of that will be increased, as they are going up, they will cool down and condense also, and then they will form a cloud. Fine, they will form a cloud. After forming a cloud, then again they will come in the form of rain and snow. In hilly area they will come in the form of snow, and the plain area they will come in the form of rain. Now this whole circle, see this whole circle repeat again and again. This process keep on doing, keep on moving it. Fine. This process keep on doing. Fine. From clouds, rains are coming, and in the hilly area it is coming in the form of snow. Now this snow will melt and it will goes into river in the form of water. Now due to heat of sun, this water will evaporate and changes into water vapor. Then it will goes into atmosphere. As the height, as it will goes in the atmosphere, it will condense. ठंडे हो जाते हैं, ठंडे होकर के they will make a cloud. एक दूसरे से जुड़ करके and they will form a huge cloud. और when this huge cloud will become heavier, फिर जब भारी हो जाते हैं, then they will come on the earth in the form of rain and snow. So now from here you can give answer of my question. My first question was, from where do we get water? So we get water from rain. Fine. So this is your first answer, that we are getting water from rain. What is the uses of water? There are different uses of water. For our day-to-day life we use water. For daily activity we use water. Fine. So all the activity that we don't require to mention. Now this process also you will remember that this whole process is called water cycle. This whole process is called water cycle. How the water is keep on recycled by the earth. Now this whole process is called water cycle, that also you will mention. Now related to this water cycle, few fill in the blanks are there in your book. So let's do those fill in the blanks. I hope the process is clear to everyone. Now we'll do first three fill in the blank. Now first one is, the water on earth is constantly dash. Constantly what? Water on the earth is constantly recycled. Constantly recycled. This is the first line which I have spoken just now, that water on the earth is constantly recycled. Now what you will write in the first blank? That the water on the earth is constantly recycled. This is your first answer. Water on the earth is constantly recycled. Write down in your book. Water on the earth is constantly recycled. Now, number 2. Here only I'll write the answer. Water on the earth is constantly recycled. Recycled. Now somebody else is not recycling it. It recycled by the nature itself. It's recycled. Number 2, the water of the sea is dash and so cannot be used for drinking. Now in the sea, what kind of a water we have? We always heard that water in the sea is salty water they have. So water in the sea is salty. And why? Because why the water of the oceans or sea is salty? Because all the sources like river, different sources are going into oceans, and the mineral content of ocean or sea will be increased, and they will make that mineral will only make that water in the sea salty, and it is not fit for drinking. Because if you will drink this water now, so what will happen? That it will dehydrate your body. What do you mean by dehydrate? Means आपकी बॉडी में जो पानी पहले से प्रेजेंट है, दैट इज sucked by the salty water. Because salt को क्या होता है, जब हम नमक वाली कोई चीज खाते हैं, then we feel कि हमें प्यास लगी है, प्यास लगी तो हम पानी पीते हैं. Just like that, the salty water will take water content from your body. पानी का जो है कंटेंट आपकी बॉडी में से वो उसको ले लेगा, एंड योर बॉडी विल गेट डिहाइड्रेटेड, और आपको डिहाइड्रेशन की प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. नाउ वाटर फॉल्स ऑन लैंड एज रेन एंड, अभी बताया मैंने, वाटर फॉल्स ऑन लैंड एज रेन एंड, यस दैट इज नो. अभी जस्ट नाउ आई हैव टोल्ड यू. सो व्हाट वी हैव डन इन दिस water for life, that how water is important for our life. How do we find it out, that what are the different sources of water? Different sources of water. Major source of water is rain and snow, and then river, then we have wells, then underground water we have. These are the different sources. So what is there water for life? We have seen how do this water cycle work. Then we have done 3 fill in the blanks. Let's revise the fill in the blank once again. Fine. And how do this water cycle work? So what is done? What we have done in this page number 62? The water on earth is constantly recycled. The water on the earth is constantly recycled. Number 2, the water of the sea is dash and so cannot be used for drinking. Means the water of the sea is salty. This is your second blank. Number 3, water falls on land in the form of rain and snow. Rain and snow. In these two forms, water comes on earth. So what we have done for that, I'll read out few lines for you all once again, and you underline these lines in your book. These are quite important. The water on earth is constantly recycled. It falls on land as rain and snow. Then it carried by rivers or groundwater to ocean. From there it rises as water vapor and falls back on earth again. And this process is called water cycle. So with this we have completed our page number 62, that is water for life. Now we'll do our next page of same unit 3. Let's start that. So now we'll start our second topic of today's class, that is page number 65, gadgets. If we'll talk about science and technology in today's world, we can see different gadgets in our surrounding. You can see mobile phone in each and everybody's hand. You can find it out laptop, desktop, or tablet. You will find it out more often. So what is the importance of all these gadgets? Gadgets means the electronic devices, all the electronic devices consistently called gadgets. For example, if you are wearing a wristwatch, that also comes in gadgets. But nowadays we can find it out that different kind of a gadgets were there. If you will watch the cartoon, in the cartoon they have that kind of a gadget, Ben 10 one. You just push that wristwatch and then rays will coming out, and then what happened. So these kind of different things, electronic devices we can see. All these electronic devices which help us to move on, means help us to find it out anything in the environment, in the in today's life, which is important. So that gadget will help us a lot. For example, if you have to talk to someone, what you will do, you just pick up your phone and make a call. But this kind of a science we do not have. Now if we have to order for a food, fine, you want to eat food from outside. अभी क्या है, you just pick up your phone and then make a order. आप order place करते हैं, आपका खाना आपके घर में आ जाता है. Fine. और पहले क्या था? Is it possible to do this kind of a order? No, it is not possible. So what technology we have developed, different kind of a technology. If a person is standing somewhere, हम कहीं पे खड़े हैं. For example, you are going on a picnic and you forgot कि कहाँ पे रास्ता जाना है या कहाँ पे जाना है. You just entered your location in Google Maps and you will you can find the way. And if you want to locate anyone कि वो person कहाँ पे है, with the mobile number, with a mobile phone, you can locate that person over there. So these are the gadgets, or science and technology has developed a lot, that we can, while sitting in our home, we can find it out that where somebody is. Fine. Now here in your book, you are supposed to identify the gadgets by read out the clues. By reading out the clues, you have to find it out that which system is this, or which gadget you are going to use it, which technology you are going to use it. Fine. So what is that? Number 1, Sonia's family is going for a picnic. They have lost their ways. As I told you, if you are going somewhere and you don't be able to find it out that in which direction we have to go, so what you can do, her father checks their location and find the correct route by using what? By using what? Fine. Can you tell me the answer of this? Can you tell me the answer of this? Yes, it is quite simple. Sonia's family is going for a picnic. They lost their way. Her father checked their location and finds the correct route by using GPS. By using GPS. Now what is this? GPS. GPS means, the full form of GPS is Global Positioning System. Just now I have taken name of one thing, that is what? Google Maps. Google Maps. Now these Google Maps are using this technology only, Global Positioning System, GPS. Now what is this GPS do? It can track, and wherever you want to go, you just enter that location in that, and what they will do, they will find it out that what are the different ways to go. For example, I have to go from here. I have to go from Varanasi to Pune. Fine. I'll enter this location, and then this GPS tracker or this Google Maps will help me that you will go right, then left, then like this kind of a map we are going to get it. We'll get different maps, and by using that Google Maps we can go from one location to another location. Fine. So what is this system? That is GPS, that is Global Positioning System. Global Positioning System. Now number 2. Sonia reads all her favorite books on her dash. This way she does not have to spend money on buying printed books. Now on which we can use which gadget or which device we will use to read book. Nowadays this device is available in your So now Sonia read all the books on her dash. Now nowadays this gadget is available in different library also. That is what? That is Kindle. Kindle is such kind of a textbook that so many, more than 1,000 books were there on this Kindle. And once you have read all those books, you can go for a software update, and then more than 1,000 books you can enter in that book again. So that is what? That is Kindle. Fine. Nowadays you have heard about Kindle also, that I am reading my favorite books on Kindle. Kindle is a digital book. Fine. Now this way she does not have to spend money on buying books. If you are going to buy books, that approximately it will take 100 onward, you have to spend rupee 100 onward on each book. But in this Kindle you can go for more than 1,000 books within few with cost of 100 or 150 rupees only. And after reading all these books, then you can go for another 1,000 books. Now number 3, Sonia's father used his dash to do office work, video chat with client, and even watch films on its large display screen. So where they were doing all this? Yes, large display screen means that is not your mobile, that is your tablet. Tablet is having around 10 inches to 12.5 inches screen, and that is quite enough to see that screen clearly. See, we have 10 inches screen, or we can, the centimeter we can convert it 25 centimeter screen, and that is quite big screen, and we can easily watch films, we can talk to other person, we can do video chat also, different things we can do it on that. So that is what? That is your tablet. Now number 4 is what? Sonia's family is going on holiday. She is not sure of clothes and other things. She should pack. Her father checks the weather application on his new, on which we were checking the weather. Yes, on smartphone. And why it is called smartphones? because using these phones we can do a lot of things. We can do a lot of things. What is that? Here we can do we can check weather of that particular place. We can do bookings also, hotel booking also. If we want to go by air, we can book tickets also. If we want to go by train, then also we can book tickets. Why it is called smartphone? Because we can do different activity on this. So these are the few gadgets which we have seen today in this class. Number one, let's revise this, that Sonia's family is going for a picnic. They have lost their way. Her father checks their location and finds the correct route by using GPS. Number one is GPS, and this GPS giving the information by using Google Maps. What is the full form of GPS? That is Global Positioning System. Global Positioning System. This full form is also very important, and that also you will learn. Fine. And they were used by using Google Maps only. Now number two, Sonia reads all her favorite books on her dash. This way she does not have to spend more money on buying printed books. So in which way Sonia do that? Yes, Sonia read all her favorite book on her Kindle. Kindle is a gadget in which you can read books. Different e-books were there, story books were there. You have your syllabus books also there. So different books you can read using this Kindle. Nowadays we will be getting Kindle in our libraries also, and it is quite less in cost, cheap and best. And in 150 rupees you will be getting more than 1000 books. Now number three, Sonia's father use his dash to do office work, video chat with client, and even watch film on its large display screen. So what device or what gadget of Sonia's was used by her father to do office work, and large screen is there to do office work, video chat with clients, and even watch films on its large display screen. What is that? That is tablet. And as I told you that its screen is more than 25 centimeter or nearly about 25 centimeter, 10 inches screen is there, and 25.5 centimeter screen, and different screens are there, and it is quite big in size also. We can easily watch movies on this large display screen, and we can do a lot of things. We can play games also, we can do video chat also, we can do video recording also. Different features were there of this tablet. Now number four, Sonia's family is going on holiday. She is not sure of clothes and other thing she should pack. Now if you are going somewhere and you don't know what kind of a weather we have there, so what we will do that we will pack, we'll see the weather of that particular region, and then we will find it out. For example, if I am going to Shimla, मुझे नहीं पता कि शिमला में वेदर कैसा है, तो मैं क्या करूँगी, in my smartphone or in my smartphone we have different weather knowing applications. मैं उसमें क्या करूँगी, जाऊँगी, I'll enter the detail of the place where I am going, और वहाँ पे कैसा मुझे वेदर मिलेगा, then that I will be able to know that. मुझे समझ आ जाएगा कि मेरे पास कैसा वेदर होगा वहाँ पे, एंड वहाँ पे कैसा होगा वेदर, और फिर मैं उसी के अकॉर्डिंग वहाँ पे I'll pack my luggage. So this is a smart way to go anywhere. Nowadays, by using all these gadgets, our life is so easy. Before this, we have done one chapter also. In that, we have done machines that make our life easier. So that is again all those things which are related to our life only, and electronic gadgets and each and everything. So with this we have completed our this chapter gadgets also. So now we are going to continue in our next class this unit 3 itself. So that's all for today, children. Have a good day.